Grabe yun.
All right, now let's keep this momentum going. All right, before we head on over to the finals.
Before the finals, we're gonna keep it rolling with something special again.
Yes,
May
we have a
special
little
naman
something
tayo.
special lined up for you guys.
Who here likes P-pop? Make some noise if you guys like P-pop. One more time, a little louder, para may energy sila. Make some noise if you like some P-pop.
Yeah! Alright, sinong Blooms dito? May Blooms ba dito? Sino ba ano ba bang fan bases ang alam mo? Ayan,
Ano?
Sino ba? 18! Oh my God, yung mga 18 dyan, mag-ingay!
Oh, yun. Yun, oo.
Oh my gosh, see you guys on April 18, mga 18. SMDC
Nice.
Festival Grounds. Yes. Alright.
Stay.
Sino ba? Sino ba mga ano?
Sino ba?
Sino ba?
Sino ba?
Yung ano yung mga
Yung-
30